Alright guys, welcome back to another video here in Killers Films. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Final Cut Pro 10 after updating your macOS to Ventura 13.3. Let's go to the computer and I'll show you the problems I was having with it, and I'll also show you how to fix it. Now let's start Final Cut Pro and see what it does. Right here it is. So it just stays there and it says validating audio unit. And here is the name of that plugin that's not allowing Final Cut Pro to start, right? So what we'll do is we'll go to here to the Finder. We're gonna go to computer. From computer, we're gonna go to Macintosh. Then we're going to go to library. Open up the library file. Then we're gonna go to audio. From audio, we are going to go to the plugin. Then from there, we're gonna go to components, right? And in this this folder here, you are going to find the name of that plugin that we saw before. So the name is Guitar Rig 6. So you can see here is that name, right? So we are going to delete this. You delete that, and it will resolve your problem right away. There is one, and check your BST2. It should be there too. Make sure you check all these folders here where all your plugins are at. Now, a good practice will be to, if you still using those plugins, save them in a folder or external disk out of your computer, then try to start your Final Cut Pro. Now, once you delete that name that pops up, force quit your Final Cut Pro here. You force quit it because it won't let you quit it, right? So we're gonna force quit it, and then Final Cut Pro from opening, it'll show it to you. In this case, that was the plugin that was not allowing it to open. So as you can see, Final Cut Pro is now running. All right. I was working on a project yesterday, and as you can see, it's now trying to load all my files. Now, yesterday when I did this, there was another plugin that was popping up, and I just didn't delete it. So let's go back to Finder, go back to your computer, and library, audio, plugin, minimize that here, BST, and it was this one here, contact. That one was popping up as well, so I'll just get rid of it. And here we go. Just get rid of those plugins if you're not using them. Complete control. So just repeat this process, and if there's still any other plugin that is preventing it from open, the name of that plugin will pop up every time you try to start. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more video like this, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Have a great day, and as always, peace.